Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the important topics of C. You can also say that it is a standard syllabus of C language. Friends, before studying any subject, we must analyze the syllabus. By analyzing the syllabus, we can know which topic is important for our universities or college examination and which topic is important for our campus or competition examination. So friends, without wasting time, we start our video. So first of all, we will study about the introduction. Before starting any subject, we must analyze the introduction. We study about the introduction, By studying the introduction, we can know application of that subject, uses of that subject, origin of that subject. And this topic point is very important. Then next we studied about data type. There are different types of data type in a C like integer, float, character. We see all about all data types. Then we studied about variables, keywords, what is a variable, what is a keyword, and important points related to these things. Next point we study about operator. Operator is a very important topic. Initially we study about arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical increment and decrement operator, and bitwise operator. Among this operator, there is one operator which is very important, which is increment and decrement operator. This topic is important for your competition examination. Then next we study about decision making. Within the decision making we study about if else, nested if else, etc. This topic is important for logic building. Then next we study about loops. Within there are three types of loops in a C language. First is a while, next is a do while, and last is a for loop. This topic is little bit confusing for new students, but we will make a simple programs by using which you can easily understand the concept of loops. Then we study about array. Array is also a very important topic for your campus interview, for your college examination, as well as for competition examination. Within the array we study about 1D array, 2D array, and multidimensional array. Then next we study about switch. Switch is also important topic for your universities or college examination. Then next we studied about jump statement. There are four types of jump statements in a C language. First is a go to, then next break, third is a continue, and fourth is a return. This topic is very small but conceptual. Then next we study about file handling. String handling. Within the string handling we study about the different string functions, as well as we study about the string operation, like how we can read a string, how we can write a string, and perform different types of operation within a string. And this topic is also very important for logic building. Okay. Then next we study about function. Function is also very important for your universities or college examination. Within the function we studied some topics. What types? There are two types of function. First is a predefined function and second is a user defined function. We study about both. Then categories of function. There are four categories of function. And then calling method. There are two calling methods of function. First is a call by value and second is a call by value. This topic is also very important for your university's examination. Then next we study about recursion. Recursion is also a part of function, but this topic is also very important for your competition examination like GATE. This topic is also very important for competition exam like GATE. Then next we study about pointer. Pointer is also an important topic. We study pointer with array, pointer with functions, and pointer with structure. This topic is also very important for GATE examination or competition examinations, as well as for universities examination. Then next we study about structure. Structure is a user defined data type. We already study data type here, but here we study about user defined data type. Structure is a user defined data type which is used to hold the records. And then next we study about union. Union is also a user defined data type but there is a difference between structure and union. So we study about both in further videos. Then next we study about file management. File management. File management. Within the file management, we study about the different types of file handling functions, like open, close, etc. And we study about different file operations. File operations means how we can open a file, how we can close a file, how we can edit a file, copy the content of one file into another file, merging two files, etc. So these are the important topics or standard syllabus or of C language. So friends, if you need more videos related to computer science and information technology, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button for latest notification. Thank you.